the Instagram and the Facebook, they should work. So this is going to be 10,500, this wonderful piece, okay? And I do have one color. Yes, on Instagram, the voice seems fine. Is it okay? I think Facebook also seems to be working fine. Do join in and just check and let me know. That's the second and the last color that I have. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you for the feedback. Let's go. Let's show it to you. This one. Okay, now this is the full suit set. This is 10,500. India shipping free hai. So that's the whole fun of it. Acha, international is also easy. One time you need to do like 3850. So that's the shipment cost. Only one time. And then from that, you can add as many suits if you want. Okay, so there's no problem on that. Now this one, this set is 13,000. And I'm going to show you, इसमें plain bottom रहेगा. अच्छा, thumb rule is that सभी में जो bottom होगा, that will be the base color of the kurta. Okay, so that's going to be the thumb rule. Now look at that. That's a wonderful set. 13,000 Kota silk premium cotton. There you go. Another one. This is also now lots of, I think कुछ काफी sets है कि यही दो हैं in 13,000. Okay, only these two in the 13,000, but amazing, beautiful pieces that again you must go for. Okay, and it's all first come first basis. Kal ke lives, because a lot of those pieces are sold out, we have now removed them. This is the only video. Aaj subah ka koi video nahi tha. We were just closing everything. So now we're just showing you all that's available here. And now it's for you to just go and kind of place your order. Now this wonderful piece, 15,800. Chanderi cotton. Okay, look at that. That's the bottom right there for you. It's a beautiful Meena work. मुझे इधर से दे दे. Just give me the dupatta from here. Okay, so that's the piece that you're going to go for. And look at the dupatta. I'm just showing you the dupatta from the edge. There you go. It's a pretty, pretty one. Take a screenshot. 15,800, but it's dressy. It's wearable, and I do have color options for you, which I'm going to be showing. So, there is something for everybody, and we do have many options now. अगर आपको dark पसंद है तो dark है, light पसंद है तो light है, and then of course you have all kinds of different fabrics which are also great now. Look at that. I love this because this whole blues, the Meenas, the green, it's wonderful, very wearable, dressy at the same time. So, this is one. And now I do have another design, which is this another one. So something like this, it's so good because you know what it is. You have something that's wearable. It's a full set. I mean, it's like you cannot go wrong with it. Again, 15,800, and yes, we do have colors. These are ready to be shipped out. So cash on delivery is available. Okay, so cash on delivery is available. एंड एक चीज हमेशा याद रखिए, एक ही नंबर है नीव का जो हर पोस्ट पे लगता है, विच इज इनफैक्ट आई रीड इट आउट द नंबर टू यू. 88 इज दैट द नंबर 8828218609. यही एक ही नंबर है जो हमारा है जिस पे आप प्लेस कर सकते हैं ऑर्डर. कई बार अकाउंट्स आपको कांटेक्ट करेगी, डिस्पैच आपको कांटेक्ट करेगी फॉर कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, नोटिफिकेशंस एंड शिपमेंट के बारे में. बट ये याद रखिए कि पेमेंट आपको सिर्फ एक ही जगह करना है, एंड दिस इज दैट. यू विल नॉट हैव टू पे एनीवेयर एल्स. यू शुड नॉट पे एनीवेयर एल्स. सिर्फ एक यही नंबर है where you're going to be coming and making your payments. Okay, so that is very important. Of course, with your love, with your blessings, as we grow bigger, there are all of these spam pages on our pages which also have a picture. So be very careful. Do not contact any one of them. Neev ka ek hi number hai, which I've just said to you, and which actually, guys, is there on every single post that you see. तो कोई reason नहीं है कि आप उसको miss करें. And remember, okay, now that's a very pretty one. The same price is going on. मैं आपको दिखाते जा रही हूँ. All you have to do is just kind of take a screenshot and come and place your order. Now, wonderful one. I love this. I love this whole color. How many colors do we have more to go? Just 3 more colors in this particular design. Okay, take your favorite one. But I say to you, हर में अपनी खूबसूरती है. And you know, even if you missed yesterday, कोई बात नहीं है, आज है आप, and I am showing you enough so that I will have you covered, you know, for many different kind of looks. This is all अभी तो हम 15,800 पे है, and these are your full sets for it. What a nice, you know, this is like a mint green color, and the last two colors that we have is this one, this is one. So if you're looking for something little dressy, these are really, really brilliant for that in Chanderi cotton. Look at that, it's pretty, okay, and lightweight, easy, you know, and you know, enjoy the beauty of these pieces. And from that, okay, from that, this is a very nice gray. So this is a proper gray shade. Of course, in colors pe meena bahut utta hai, so you know, there is that whole joy behind it. So there you go. Now from that, we are coming to a category that you have loved since yesterday, okay, 14,000. And this is the 14,000 category from yesterday. Yes. Yeah, so this is a 14,000 category that you know, we've been doing. We did some colors yesterday, of course many of them sold out, and now this is the next one that we are doing, are all of these colors in it. Okay, now what is it that you're getting is you're getting this fabric 2.5 meter, this beautiful kota silk dupatta, and also plain 2.5 meter Chanderi dupatta, Chanderi cotton bottom. Okay, so you have a 3-piece set, and I think it's such pretty colors for you to choose from. और मैं बहुत आराम से दिखा रही हूँ आपको, that there is no hurry, because you know, बहुत दिन बाद एक तो पहली बात हमारे चाय टाइम पे हमने ये लाइव किया है, you know, and it's always our schedules have become such that you know, this chai time has become really rare. What a beautiful one, not to be missed. 14,000, that's the price point that you are at, and I think it looks incredible with this dupatta, plain bottom. It will be so perfect for all the small events, for the parties, for the events. आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, you're meeting your friends, you're going out for lunch. These are so pretty. Oh, look at that, the hotness in each one of them. Amazing options, okay, and look at that, there's this beautiful color in pink. मेरे पास इसके 2 color options और हैं, which I'm going to be saying. Okay, so बहुत सारे आप हैं इनमें जिनमें you know, you've joined in for the first time. हमारे pages के of course number बढ़ रहे हैं, तो which means that every day I see so many of you coming for the first time. Yes, thank you for saying that. You're the first time you're coming in the live. तो मैं ये आपको बताना चाहूंगी, what you're seeing here, ये है एक, हम सिर्फ सूट्स, फैब्रिक्स, दुपट्टेस, दैट्स द वर्क दैट वी डू. सिर्फ यही 3 कैटेगरी है. हम बॉम्बे बेस हैं और हम दुनिया भर में शिप करते हैं. सो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम ऑन दैट फ्रंट. वी शिप ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, एंड इंडिया में भी हर जगह यू कैन गो फॉर कैश ऑन डिलीवरी. इट्स सुपर सिंपल. हाँ, एक चीज है, आपको एक टोकन अमाउंट देनी है, एंड उसके बाद यू कैन जस्ट ऑफ ऑल. लुक एट दैट, सो गॉर्जियस, सो गॉर्जियस. एंड अभी जो चल रहा है वो है समर सूट सेल. तो अच्छा, अब मैं बताती हूँ आपको, ये जितने भी पीसेस थे, इनका जो बिफोर प्राइस था वो सभी का 17,300 था फॉर द फुल 3-piece सूट सेट, एंड इन सेल द प्राइस इज 14,000. ओके, सो मैं आपको बिफोर एंड आफ्टर जरूर बताना चाहती हूँ. सो रिमाइंड मी, आई वांट टू से द बिफोर एंड आफ्टर so that it's very easy for you. So अभी चल रही है summer suit sale, and this is 14,000. This is the last one. Now look at that. But इसमें I'm going to give you 2 color options. अच्छा, material type मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जो अभी देख रहे थे हम, और ये भी, this is also tussar, that's also tussar. This is got embroidery. There was no embroidery on those. Okay. Now for this I'm going to give you 2 dupatta options, and the original price is 17,300. Now in sale it is for 14,000. In which you also have a bottom. हर में अभी तक जितने हैं इनमें bottom जो आए, look at that, you can do any of these 2 colors. Basically the blue or the purple, I think both look nice. Depends on what you're going to go for. इसमें दुपट्टा है कोटा सिल्क, tussar and plain चंदेरी bottom. The idea is that we'll give you complete looks. You know, so ये होता है कि आप हमारे पास बहुत वाइड एक दुपट्टा का कलेक्शन है, and then हमारे पास एक बहुत ही broad fabric का भी collection है, and of course suits which we are showing you also as well now, and many in fresh also. But what happens, जब सूट आप लेते हैं आप तुरंत उसको पहन लेते हैं. You know, you send it, oh I'm so excited, I've given it to my tailor boutique / designer, and it's gone for, you know, stitching. Okay, and that's the best thing, because then you wear our pieces, and then I know that, you know, you'll always kind of come back to us. But वो जब अंदर चले जाते हैं ना तो वो निकलते नहीं है. But you know the joy. This is now 17,000 and in fresh 21,050 for the 3-piece. It's a beautiful one. The full set, and the prices include shipping for all of these pieces. The shippings are included. All you gotta do is come on WhatsApp. जो number दोनों जगह लिखा हुआ है और pin down भी है. Okay, now good point. We've gone back to 13,500. Chinia silk, Chanderi cotton dupatta, and it's also got, I think, Chinia silk bottom. So one really nice silk suit with you. Okay, and somebody said like me. La. So my point is that we want you to wear our pieces, because once you have worn it, we know there's no going back, guys. There's no going back. Okay, so this is the same price, right? Both of them. Uska kya price tha? What is the price? This is the same price. So same price, 13,500. Okay, and look at that. The full 3-piece chinia silk bottom rahega isme. And it's going to look amazing because full sheen, and dupatta is Chanderi cotton. Okay, so yeah, but I think it's very graceful. It looks amazing. The next up, 18,500. Original price 22,750. That's your premium cotton fabric. So wear them, enjoy them. मैं आपको पूरे sets. That's what we are going to show you, and we are showing you so that you really can make the most of summer. Now look at that, quintessential. You know. Summer fabrics, organza, beautiful at that, premium cotton, plain Chanderi bottom, so dressy. In some of these, okay, only some, not all, some of these, it's possible that you can take more fabric. You can always ask the team. I think it's gorgeous. It's going to look amazing. Look at that, and that pink whole kurta. बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. In that, you can ask us that if you're looking for more fabric, then we can give it to you. This is your red one, and there you go. That's the, now look at that, that's the combination. मैं ऐसे लगाती हूँ इसको so that it's easy, and that's your red. Okay, so it's a red one and a pink one. We're showing you all that's available, all that's beautiful, and that looks amazing, you know, as sets. Okay, now this one, okay, 21,500 for this set, which is going to be chinia silk bottom and dupatta. Pretty looks for you. And yes, as is, so you can see the everything, you know, it's as is basis. So it's a beautiful color, and I think it looks amazing with a plain bottom. कुछ और pieces अच्छा, किसी में अगर दुपट्टे में tassels हैं तो उनमें है, और नहीं है तो it is extra. 22,500, and look at that. I love the hotness of this color. Okay, yes. So look at that. This one is Georgette dupatta, premium cotton fabric. In this, if you want 3 meters, can be done. Of course, उसमें price बदल जाएगा जहाँ भी हमने ढाई का match किया, because all of that has been done with ढाई, so that will change. Now this, okay, I think this should be lesser. I think that's with the older dupatta that we had done. So I'll give you. So just ask us, and we'll give you the revised price, because this was with the other dupatta, which is now sold out. So this you can just check with the prices. कि इस सेट का क्या प्राइस रहेगा. It's a beautiful one with Kota premium cotton. Okay, so enjoy it. The red cotton jal, yes, it's premium cotton. It's a beautiful cotton suit. Premium cotton, our composition with silk, which you really can wear even in events. You're stepping out, like that's what you're going to be wearing. Now look at that. Here it is. Absolutely striking. इसका क्या प्राइस है? 2800. इसका प्राइस है so 25,500. What are you seeing? Pure Georgette kurta, pure Georgette dupatta, plain chinia silk bottom. Like deals that are like amazing. Yeah, thank you so much. Deals that are like amazing. Okay, now this one is one off. This is 27,000 and original price 33,250. Okay, now मैं price आपको पहले बता रही हूँ, but what I'm trying to show you is this. That's your full look. Okay, look at that. That's one entire piece with plain bottom, and yes, that's your full piece. Striking yellow, amazing hot colors. Okay, something very amazing. 2 suit sets in cotton, and these are for 28,500. Now look at that, it's really pretty. Pure cotton है, bottom है मेरे पास, ये रहा bottom, bottom में border भी है. So bottom में border भी है, and there you go, very nice blue, ultra soft, easy. It's got both. This is one shade, and then there is one shade more. Both are 28,500. And let me just show that shade to you. There you go. This one, here it is. It's a really pretty one. Okay, somebody's saying there's no audio. Is that the case even now? So there is audio. Just press the right button. Just check once. Let's just check, guys, if there is that issue again on Facebook. Can we just check if there is no audio? Okay, and that's your suit set. That's a wonderful full cotton suit set. Okay, there you go. Okay, we're just checking. Hold on for a minute. Anybody else facing audio here? It's there. Audio is there. Just check on Facebook. I'm asking. Just let me know if there's anybody else who is facing the same issue. Otherwise, just press your left button. Sometimes that happens. Okay, so we are now on 26,500. Okay, audio is good. Thank you. Thumbs up. There you go. Now look at that. That's a wonderful plain silk ke saath. I think it's a gorgeous set. All Georgette. Look at that beauty. I think it's absolutely lovely. This one, and then I'm going to show you this one. This is a pink one. So what you know what we're doing? We're showing you, of course, कि कुछ जो रह गए हैं कल से. We wanted to show you those. Oh, that's amazing as well. Soft, light, beautiful colors. Pure Georgette, plain silk bottom, 26,000. Original price 31,925. I have all the prices here, so I'm just going through it so that kuch reh nahi jayega. Okay. Now look at this wonderful one. I just have probably another 25 pieces to go. That's it. That's all that we have. So take your screenshots and go for these pieces. This Neev summer suit sale is right there, and it's such a great chance. What a wonderful gold color. It's just so gorgeous. Okay, and it's such a great chance for you. Okay, what happened to our conditioning? Okay, it's such a great chance for you to kind of just go for these pieces right away and enjoy them. And also especially so if you are trying for the first time. Okay, so agar you've been thinking, one day I'm going to try Neev, this is the day. When else? Thank you so much. You have something more interesting. I always say that I cannot drink tea. I'm banned. Okay, lest I spill it up, so I can't do it, but you can. You surely can. Okay, this absolutely gorgeous combination of Munga silk, 29,000. Okay, before भी बहुत बताना जरूरी है, so that you actually see the difference. It's 35,750, and then it is 29,000. Okay, and Chanderi cotton bottom, and look at that. Yes, it's beautiful. जिन पे भी आपको पसंद आ रहा है, आपको सिर्फ एक काम करना है, स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है. I love this. Okay, this one, oh my god, this is to be grabbed. The only tissue set that we have, and not only is it tissue, but it is just so perfect. Okay, this is 29,500. Original price 36,425. It comes with a plain bottom. What are you seeing? A tissue kurta. Wonderful tissue dupatta. Oh, look at that. The grace of tissue is just amazing. And a plain silk bottom. That's what you're going to be like. Look at the sheen. Look at the beauty of it. The inherent self texture. So yeah, it's a wonderful thing. Because there is no shipping. So I know many of you have ordered yesterday. बहुत सारे parcels ship भी हो गए. But that's the joy. You can order for yesterday and today and enjoy it. And of course, international shipping only and only once. That's all that we are saying. Now, that's your look. Look at that. That's a wonderful look. Okay, remember this fabric is like this. The bootas are like this. So your designs is going to come like this. That's the only thing. This is also 29,500. And it comes with a plain silk bottom. Okay. So look at that. It's a beautiful Georgette, pure Georgettes and plain silk pure bottoms. Okay, we're going to go into some really interesting mix, which is going to be these gorgeous. Look at that. What a wonderful color again. And that's your, this one. This is what range? Okay, 31,500. Original price is 38,925. Look at that. With a plain silk bottom, this will be perfect in every which ways. I'm going to show you some more options. This is also in sale for 31,500, all with plain silk bottoms. And look at that. I think it's amazing. This whole color is just so pretty, okay? Look at that. Just wonderful color right there for you. A baby blue, pure Georgette, pure Georgette. Okay. From that, we're going to go really hot. Okay, from that, we're going to go very, very hot. And we're going to go into this. Again, the same price as the earlier one. Both of them, same prices. What a striking one. Look at that. Or aisa color, of course, we have done Chinia silks only because you can only get this really wonderful color only in silk. So, humne bottom, we have made sure that we are giving it to you. Yeah, give it to me open so that I can just, okay, some linens that I have for you and you can take your pick. They're all with Chanderi bottoms. That's your option one. What is the price of these? 32,500, okay? And 38,800, that's the original price. मैं इसके आपको सारे बस colors दिखाते जा रही हूँ. And I'm showing you the colors that I have. And here it is. There you go, there you go. All of this. And the next one is this beautiful one. Thank you so much. Someday, hopefully, yes, definitely. Okay, so there you go. This is a deep red linen kurta, linen bottom, and bottom Chanderi cotton, linen dupatta, linen kurta, and yes, there is a white also. So there you go. Kuch, it's not too long, just a couple of more pieces coming up. What a striking one. White, you know that ekdam, that elegance and sophistication and something that something about summer that just makes you want to go for white. Yeah, my niece was there yesterday. She was saying all you've been wearing all of these days is white. So I said, I think it's just that your hand kind of goes to that color white and to all the pastels, for which this is the 33,000 2.5 meter plain bottom, and this beautiful one. Look at that. It's a lavender. Amazing. It's just an amazing, very beautiful one-off piece that you can go for. Acha, bottoms ready hai, so you can go for bottoms. Okay, now something very interesting. I'm just coming off here. Okay, so something which is really amazing, and I was just, thank you so much. That's wonderful. That's live reviews right there. It always really kind of makes my day. I just saw something. I said, let me just go and see what it is. Okay, so yes, we've had the great opportunity, in fact, I would say, from the very beginning, from the day we launched Neve. What a green, okay, what a wonderful green, to have clients all over the world, okay, since the day I began. And I think that's what kind of makes it so amazing, that we have this incredible opportunity to work with all of you all over the world. Some wonderful Georgette suits and 34,500 and Chinia silk bottoms, and original price 44,800, okay. So that's a big one, big one, guys. There you go. Wonderful Georgette suits, great colors coming up, जो मैं आपको दिखाते जाऊंगी, so that you can take a screenshot and look at that. Really beautiful colors. Tell me if you want me to come closer, but I think दूर से मैं आपको पूरा angle दिखाना चाहती हूँ, so that you can have the full look of the piece, which I think are amazing. Just look at the flow. And this has got Meena, okay? So really nice. Look at that. All of that detailing right there for you. Plain silk bottoms ke saath, the grace of these pieces, it's something else altogether. And the whole joy of us doing these sales, like this one, this is a very, it's there today. So there's also that many of you have the chance to try it for the first time, and I think probably that's the only reason that you see it happening, is because we want you to come to try a piece, even if it's just a piece, but it's just so perfect that you kind of get a chance to see it, buy it, and then that we will have you for some time. Can I have the tissue, please? It's a sunny, beautiful day. I love summers. You know, I'm a summer person totally. But our studio has this wonderful, bright sunlight, you know. So, which is why I say that all the pieces that you're seeing, it's natural light. This is the light. This is exactly the color that it is. Because, you know, look at that. Now I'll come a little aage because I want to show you the details to it. But you can see this. This is a wonderful golden one. Or isme the Meena is purple. It's got that purple one. The very last of this, yeah, it's the last of this one. And this is the green. I've shown you all the colors here. This one is 34,500. And Chinia silk bottom, these are really good, complete looks for you, okay? Okay, from that, we're going to jump into something which is very interesting, which is going to be Katan silk suits, okay? Now, Katan silk suits ka aisi baat hai that they are there forever in your wardrobe, okay? Because when you're going to go formal, this is the color that this is the fabric that you're going to wear, okay? Always. How are you going to place the order? Okay, how are you going to place the order? आप देखेंगे ये live जो देख रहे हैं, आप एक picture लेंगे, and then you're going to go on. Oh, look at that. It's a peacock blue. It's just stunning. 35,500 now in price. And what is the original price? I will have it somewhere. Just give me 45,800 and or 44,800, I think. Just check once. What is the price? Okay. So I'll give you the before and the after. 44,800 right now for 35,500 with Katan bottom. And this color, this striking, amazing color, which is such a beautiful blue and green, the perfect peacock one. Actually, that's what's amazing, that I'm going to be showing you the most beautiful two tones right now, all as 3-piece Katan silk suits, okay? 3-piece Katan silk suits, and you know, I think they're like amazing, full 3-piece, you know. Look at the bottom. It's also got that border. It's also two-tone. So it's like a win-win. You know, you love them and then you just kind of get them. There you go. This one is a soothing, lovely, you know, shade of yellow. And the whole charm of wearing Katans is like, it's always in. Like, you cannot ever go wrong with the Katan silk suit. Look at the beauty. There's got Meena. Kisi mein Meena ki beauty hai, but look at the jal dupatta. It's just outstanding. Let me just show it like that. I'm going to show you 2-piece. 3rd piece jo hai na main aapko alag se dikha dungi, because this is how I want to show it to you. The grandness of each one of this. Yeah, this you keep here. Acha, this is the kurta. Yeah, the kurta. Okay, kurta mein bottom dikha deti hu aapko. Look at that. This wonderful purple. It's just amazing. It's brilliant. The shade. Okay, and that's your shade again. So, ab main aapko jaise dikhana chahti hu, it's actually like this. There you can see the grandness of it. This complete Katan silk suits for you, and get them ready. Dress, you know, in a way that kind of you like, because Katan silk is one that looks wonderful with closed necks, with deeper necks, with tighter fits, with straighter fits. So really, you know, I mean, just dress it up in the way that you love the most. And again, a royal blue. Here it is. Absolutely incredible. With this, which is this bottom along with it. And couple of last colors in Katan silk that I'm showing you. This is also the same range, 35,500. And this one is wonderful because it's got this very unusual border. Less dupatta. It's got a broad border. I think it looks very cool. It's like a charcoal black. And this is also really nice with a plain bottom. Couple of more. There is one more right here. This is the last one in silk. This is the last in silk that I have. And then we'll go to the Mungas first, okay? There you go. It's a very pretty pink. Let me just show it to you. There you go. Yes, got two-tone. You know, look at that grace of this. The pink with the orange is just everything that you've been wanting. Sabhi mein, ye jo suits hai Katan wale. Katan suits are all 35,500 and all with plain Katan bottoms. So they are great pieces to dress up with the season that we are in. Now we are jumping into Munga silk suit sets. This one, 36,500. All of them have pure Munga bottom, right? Yeah, we all of them. Huh? 48,800. What a deal! What a deal! All of these, and just look at that. That's a wonderful red complete look. It's like a deep red which you can really just wear anytime, and it's in Munga. So yeah, it's like a win-win. Or plain Munga bottom bhi hai. So you know there is this wonderful collection of premium suits that you have here, okay, which are of course, now you can say, oh look at that, that's an amazing outstanding dupatta. This Meenakari kurta with a plain bottom in Munga, pieces you just cannot miss, okay? So go for one that you love the most. We are showing you as a fabric, as a category, ताकि आप उसको quickly ले पाए. This is the only one that you have to catch up. We are doing it in purpose, okay? Because yesterday, I'll tell you why also 4 o'clock. That, of course, we used to always do this chai o'clock, 4 o'clock, okay? And then also because there's so many of you who join around from the world and who always want it in the evening. So for both purposes, we are doing it in now. Full day, we were just waiting for, you know, us to be able to do it for you so that everyone, of course, in India and outside India can catch it in live. Look at that wonderful one. This is also 36,500 with the plain Munga bottom. This is also 36,500. Let's just show you quickly the options which are there in this 36,500. Look at that, the Sona Rupa. It's pretty, it's rich, okay? There you go, here it is, this one, the next one. Okay, this is also 36,500 and there are no tassels. Look, it's like as is basis. So this is your look that you're going for, silver zari, 36,500. The next one, the same thing in other color that we have. Okay, these are with us for some time, not a part of the exhibition. So of course, you know, the whole point. Acha, this is a good question. I like that question very much, especially so because we post a lot of videos which we've been doing last week. Okay, when we put up a sale, then everybody say, "Oh, did I get that? That's on sale." No, that's not on sale. This collection is always built and kept very separately for some time, in fact. So yes, it wasn't a part of the show, which is why it is here as a part, as a chance for you to kind of get it right away, right here, okay? And oh, that's amazing. For Munga Silk reviews or for generally, I think the love that you guys send, it's beautiful. Thank you so much, okay? Yes, Munga Silk, and these are Munga Silk suits, and they are full 3-piece Munga suit sets. We are done with Mungas, okay? We're going to do now, I think, a couple of Georgettes. Let's do the Georgettes first, okay? This is also 36,500. Original price 44,925 with pure silk bottoms. Let's show you the dupatta, okay? And yes, we do have two options, which I am going to show it to you like this and like this. Look at that. Here it is. There you go. That's your full look. एक मिनट मुझे अच्छे से आपको दिखाना है. Yes. Now you can see this whole look. It's this beautiful shade. I love. They come when they come. That's the whole point. And you know, for us doing it online, it's the best chance for you to get these incredible pieces always. Okay. Next up, 35,500. Okay. This is a wonderful lemon. And look at that. I love this lemon color. And so summery. So we're doing the last lot of Georgettes right here. Remember, in Georgettes mein bottom are plain silk bottom. So it's going to be a perfect look. We are on to the last pieces. Okay, we are on to the last pieces that you're seeing right here. Grab them now before they go, of course. So this one is Munga silk. Look at that, a perfect orange Munga, and this is 40,000. And there you go. That's full. Oh, lovely. So that's your full set. This is your kurta, and that's the bottom. So that's your full set in Munga silk for you. The next one in Georgette. Okay, this is also in Georgette. Let's show this one to you. This one is from our premium collection, of course. Look at that wonderful shade. Iska jo price hai, let's come up with that. That's 40,000 as well for a 3-piece complete set with a plain silk bottom. You know, so that's a very nice shade of this green Georgette plain silk bottom. Next up, 40,000, this one, and 2.5 meter isme plain bottom hoga. This will have a chanderi bottom. And look at this. This is striking black and orange. So it's really wonderful. I think it looks gorgeous with that pop of color. You know, look at that. It's very, very pretty. Okay, 2 cotton suits that I have. Pure cotton suits, okay. That is what I'm going to be showing you up next. Is this one is, let's show you that. This is the pure cotton suit. This is in peach. This is also in 40,000. That's color option 1. It comes with a plain chanderi bottom. This one, and then there is one more color in it, which is going to be this. This is the Ektara cotton, ultra soft. You know, it's like the best thing that you can wear anytime in cotton. You know, it's the finest cottons that I want to do. Okay, so look at that. That's an incredible hot green. And now we're going to come to the, so that category is done. Now we're going to come to the next 4-5 pieces, which are going to be Katan silk, Kadwa. Okay, Kadwa. Look at the weave. Look at the detailing. Bottom is of course Katan. But aap iski just look at the detailing of them. The hotness of this is just absolutely amazing. Okay, now the price of this is 40,500. That's the price of this incredible Katan silk suit, which I'm going to show you different colors. This one's so perfect for this season. Look at that, the gray and the peach. So pretty. Oh, so classic. I love it. Okay, very pretty. This is Katan silk. Now, uske baad thoda sa hot color and red suits, guys. I know you always want a red suit because, you know, I mean, that's how it is, right? Like Banaras and silks, you just get them now. Make sure that you have the most amazing piece. I think this is incredible. You know, the whole color, the weave, all in Kadwa, you know, and all of them at the same price, which is 40,500. This very different, very summer color. And there you go. Here it is. And you can see that. And here it is. This one is a entire, you know, Katan silk, Kadwa buta, everything that you want. Here it is. For with a bottom, everything is there. Okay. So again, full complete sets for you. This one is in satin. So anybody who's looking for satin, this one's for you. There you go. Here it is with a green. I think it's stunning. It comes with a plain bottom, which is also in plain chinia silk. It's just stunning. This whole satin. Look at that. That's the satin border. This is the kurta, and it's absolutely amazing. Okay, very, very nice. Okay. Now, the next 3 pieces that we are going on to, this one is organza. Each one 41,500. Let's show you the color. This is an organza, all organza suit, 41,500. Beautiful Meena and plain bottoms. Okay, this got a chanderi bottom. Look at that. This is an organza suit. I think very pretty with the base grey. Then you go on to a Munga silk. Okay, and let's show this one to you. This is also what 41,500. So this is also, look at that. Here you go. This is also 41,500. It's absolutely amazing, this whole look for you. I love the fact that there's so much Meena. It's just very, very beautiful right here for you, okay? And the third and the final color in this design is this one. And there you go. We're on to the last 3 pieces and you just cannot miss it, okay? So that's your Munga silk. Look at that, a very nice shade of green or purple, and the one that was an organza. Pick a penny. They're all full suits. I love this green as well. And we're going to be ending it in just about a minute. But first things first, this incredible, okay, this just stunning, okay, suit. Now this one is a silk. So this is also 41,500, and it's beautiful. Look at that. It comes with a plain silk bottom, chinia. and I think really lovely with all the Meena right there. Okay, the last suits, 2 suits. Okay, and these are at 45,500, and let's show them to you. They're Meenakari and linen all together, and let's show you the dupatta. There you go. That's the dupatta. That's a very nice green. Okay, that's a wonderful shade of green, lightweight dupatta, just like easy wear, anytime. And finally there is a yellow in this, which is also very pretty. Now I'm going to be wearing this one, so that's what I've decided. I'm going to be wearing that dupatta. Okay, and this one, this is the last suit for today. Oh, look at that. This is also 45,500, and that's very pretty with the linens. I think it looks incredible, that color. And that's it from today. We've shown you everything that we have for you today. Okay, so it's an amazing one. Thank you so much. And one, I'm going to wear this. It's of course not a part of the sale. Okay, it's the most stunning Chandrakona dupatta that you'll see. It is the most beautiful, impactful black that you will see. Just look at the whole, craft behind it. We have made many, videos over time where we've told you the story of Chandrakona. This is made, of course, all in Karwa. But what is the most amazing thing is this. This is one hell of a dupatta. Look at that. It's almost as if it's been printed, okay? But every dot that you see done by hand in perfection, that's, just mind-blowing altogether. That's and definitely not a part of any sale, but I just wanted to show it to you because I had this most stunning piece in my hand today. And yes, of course, this along with everything else is available for you to order on WhatsApp. So remember that the Neve Summer Suit Sale, whatever is available from today, we have shown you that. All the videos gone, only this for you to go after and place your orders. And this statement of a dupatta also available from a fresh collection. And yes, make the most of it. Go happy shopping. Have a great one. Remember, cash on delivery is available all over India or even international. It's very easy. All you have to do is ask us for a Razorpay link in a currency of your choice. वो INR हो सकती है, वो USD हो सकती है, वो CAD हो सकती है, whatever you want, okay? So all of that is possible. Thank you so much for joining in. It's been incredible, always doing this, and really enjoyed the 4 o'clock one. So thank you, and yes.